So I have my cruise to Ibiza now, and I had it yesterday as well. But I missed it for whatever reason. I just kept getting lost and lost. I couldn't find the port, and I am gonna be on time today, but I'm slightly still late. I have a burnt finger, and I am with my friend here from France, and we just quickly came out and recorded some content. And I had such amazing invitations. I didn't take them. I was like, you know what? I'm going to create content for my work, for my clients, for my audience, and take whatever steps that is fun for you. And that is for the expansion of people who look up to you, and do it. It's so much more fun than the small validation that we get from the temporary dopamine.